We don't care. What do you mean by a little grocery shopping?
Like a few items.
Define that.
Like a few bags.
Damage from the ice storm.
Yeah. Oh, this is nothing, Dave. You should have seen what it was like.
And we're experiencing another storm as we drive. And yes, I'm scared. My sister's driving.
A car she's never driven before.
Okay.
When you go up here, Nancy, take a left and go the back way.
Okay.
All right, punch it.
No, I'm not that best driver.
Okay.
On a good day.
Then maybe we should switch seats. Yep, 21 December 2008, first day of winter.
I love this car. Did it?
Yeah. You know what? It does drive nice in this little bit of snow that we have. I said, I'm going to take this home tonight because maybe we can punch it up the driveway.
Yeah, poor Santa out in this weather.
That's what I said. I go, but poor guy sitting on the back of that. And Chris goes, Santa's
Go,
used
go,
to
go.
this
Okay,
weather.
Yeah, he's from the North Pole. Whoa, that was slippage. Serious slippage.
Right here. Right here.
Oh, look at that damage in the square. Atkinson Square just totally devastated.
Oh, Dave, down the street here. The electric company tried to start 8 houses electric backup.
Yeah?
Did something wrong and set 4 of them on fire.
Oh, that's real helpful.
All the firemen that are out by Santa. Yeah, this road was closed for about 3 days after that.
Well, it's a nice time for that guy didn't get done his painting yet. Hey. It's a beautiful time to snow right before Christmas. But I guess it's a pain in the neck because everyone's supposed to work a couple days here. And go to school.
Yes, you work on Monday and Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm working Tuesday a couple hours. You know what I was thinking? Tuesday night's not a good night for girls.
The ice storm last week cut a lot of limbs off the trees.
Up at 4:15. But I thought maybe Friday, the day after Christmas, when you come to celebrate Christmas, and then everybody's home on Saturday.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that would be better.
Except I think Karen's got dance the next morning.
Oh, they don't cancel it in between
I
Christmas?
don't know. I think I gotta find out. She hasn't had it for two weeks now in a row, and then because of the ice storm and now the storm yesterday.
Welcome to New England.
And I'm paying $60 a month, so I'd like to get one day in.
Yeah, I think they reimburse you.
Well, what they say we can do is go any other class, one level.
Shopping in New Hampshire, Massachusetts. I don't know where we are. I think it's Massachusetts. Any event, let's call it New England. Hey girls. A little winter shopping. I see we got essentials.
We need workhorses.
Mmm.
Oh, you should see the birthday cake we got with cars.
Nance, why don't you move to Florida? Or California?
No, it's too much humidity. Florida, Christmas,
Give this up, huh?
California.
Oh, I guess it should help. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, now the plow really coming down.
See the line waiting to get in here? It'll take about 6 lights. That's why you have to come the other way.
Visibility is pretty bad,
It
huh?
is bad.
Oh, this is like a semi-blizzard of the Olas. You can say a little bit to the right of those guys.
I don't know if it'll help you.
I just
Worry about the front.
Get the snow off the window. That's all. How do you turn the
There's
lights
a big
on?
old plow.
Oh, they weren't.
Damn, he's coming right at us there, back of the Olas. Wow!
How do you turn them on when I do that? Oh,
Here's
maybe it means they're on. The lights on the inside go out, but maybe they just dim.
a couple of snow plows in a row. Thank goodness.
This car's good in the snow. I wouldn't mind driving into work with this car.
Ask out a trade.
My sister's getting Dave. Whoa. Alright, pump the brake. Don't get nervous. I'm not.
I think you are.
With green light. No, we
something.
Is this the town?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now up here is that former lead singer of Boston who, fortunately, this is his house over here. Was it this one? No.
Open the window.
The next one.
Yellow.
The yellow one. Oh, that's a pretty cool house. I mean, I kind of like it.
Money.
Well, hey, he was smart. He blew it all. Live right next to this fella. Man.
Really live there.
Of course, someone lives there.
They do. That's how I'm chopping with
On David's window?
Yeah.
What do you mean there's a light on back there?
There's a light show with
Where?
And the guy's. Oh. I don't know what that is.
This always, it told me when your two doors
Oh, maybe
were
that
open.
door's open. I see it crack a little bit.
Okay, well, we'll find out.
Okay, he's turning.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, horse crossing. He's giving
know
plenty of
where he lives.
notice. I guess that's only smart.
Here's the sign up here on one of these homes, big pink one.
A sign.
Oh yeah, big pink board
Right there.
Oh, yeah, he's got his fireplace going. Yeah, slow up here. What does it say?
Hook
Yeah.
me up, we'll make
Home
home
cooked
cooked
meal
meal
and
and dessert.
He needs electricity. That's one way to get him out there quicker.
Aren't you glad you came out?
Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. I guess that Santa Claus on the fire truck, he had to give up. I mean, this is getting to be maybe even too much for Santa Claus.
Lindsay saw him on the way up. How come Caitlin didn't see him?
Well, we saw the fire truck, but we thought it was a fire.
Oh.
The lights were going, the siren was
Where's the
going.
fire department? Right here, right?
Yep. No, that's the old library. Right here is the fire department.
Oh, Nancy missed you. Oh, no, you didn't miss you.
Can't go that way.
We're back in there.
Right here, this big building.
This big
right
building
here.
Oh,
with all the
okay.
big doors for the big engines.
Yeah, I don't see no Santa.
Well, it's all volunteers, so nobody stays there.
Convenience store. Let's head down there. Now we're on the home stretch. This guy's coming right at us.
Yeah, it's taking the middle of the road here. She's 100.
There's a beautiful church back there. Can't see it now in the snow. It's a nice
Al needs new wipers.
church. Hey, it's almost Christmas. I know what to get him. I got him that 2 years ago.
He got him that 2 years ago for the old car. His wipers are fine. I think it's
The ice.
Ice.